If you've learned anything from the Kardashian, Jenner family, it's that a heavy contour is almost as transformative as a legit surgical procedure without the cost and recovery time. Today's video will discuss how to make your lips look bigger naturally. Basically, all you need to do is an overline, cover up, and exfoliate, and top it with a little swipe of lip plumping gloss. 1. Exfoliate. Because flaky lips reflect less light, a dry pucker could be making your lips look smaller. To get rid of flakes, brush them lightly with a toothbrush. This also boosts circulation, giving you a rosy tint sans makeup. 2. Try a plumping balm. The Dr. Dennis Gross Hyaluronic Marine Collagen Lip Cushion is an anti-aging lip treatment that delivers definition to the lip line and boosts hydration to enhance volume. I've tried it and it legit works. I've noticed a fuller lip look, no needles necessary. 3. Use concealer to fake a larger canvas. Pat concealer onto your lips, spreading it a little over your lip line. This will make your lipstick go on closer to the color in the tube and make your lips look larger. 4. Highlight with gloss. Using clear lip gloss or a shade close to your lipstick color, apply a dab of gloss onto the middle of both of your lips. The shimmery product picks up light, making your pout look fuller. 5. Overdraw your lip line. Before Kylie Jenner surgically enhanced her lips, she used this trick to make them appear bigger. To try it yourself, apply concealer to your lips, then trace slightly outside your natural lip line using a lip liner. Fill your lips in with the matching lipstick or just use the liner for your whole pout. 6. Double up on nude lip colors. Apply one shade all over your mouth and the lighter color in the middle of your lips. If you have a full top lip but a smaller bottom lip, only apply the lighter shade to the opposite lip. It will even your lips out and make them both look fuller. 7. Line with concealer after lipstick. Use a skinny brush and some cover up to line the outside of your lips. You won't believe how much your lipstick will pop. How you make your lips look bigger naturally, let me know in our comments section below.